to the east coast of Canada. And that's why the Wendat and the Iroquoian people grew excess corn, which was for trade. So they'd buy game meat and that, for example, to feed their populations from the Algonquin tribes in northern Ontario, Quebec, or the Cree in northern Ontario. And they'd trade for excess corn in areas where they couldn't grow corn.
When I was of some age, my father sent me to Dhaka to learn trade, but I did not like that at all, and so returned to Calcutta. One day, my father all of a sudden asked me if I had decided to learn Portuguese. I said, no. He said, French,